In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to publish a website on GoDaddy step by step. If you've already built your site using GoDaddy's website builder and you're ready to make it live for the world to see, this is the simple process you need to follow. I'll walk you through everything from signing in to clicking that final publish button so you can confidently launch your website. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy website and software tutorials. Now let's get started. The first thing you need to do is sign in to your GoDaddy account. Open your browser and go to godaddy.com. In the top right corner, click on Sign In and enter your email address and password associated with your GoDaddy account. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard where you can manage all your products and services. Next, you need to go to My Products. On your account page, look for the My Products section. This is where GoDaddy lists all the domains, hosting plans, and website builder sites connected to your account. Scroll until you find the Website Builder section. Under Website Builder, you'll see the website you've created. Locate the site that you want to publish. Now click on Edit Website. This will open the GoDaddy Website Builder editor. Give it a few moments to load completely. Depending on your internet speed and how large your website is, this might take a few seconds. Once the editor loads, you'll be able to see your website layout, text, images, and all your design elements. If you have multiple websites in your account, make sure you click on the specific website you want to publish. Double-check the site name so you don't accidentally publish the wrong project. After selecting the correct site, click Edit Website again if prompted, which will bring you fully inside the editing interface. Now that you're inside the editor, take a moment to review everything carefully. Scroll through your homepage and any additional pages you've created. Check your text for spelling errors, make sure your images are displaying correctly, test your buttons, and confirm your contact forms are properly set up. This is important because once you publish, your visitors will see exactly what's currently in the editor. When you're satisfied that everything looks the way you want, go to the top left corner of the screen and click on the Publish button. The Publish button is clearly labeled and is usually highlighted so it's easy to find. As soon as you click Publish, GoDaddy will begin processing your website. It will take a few moments for the publishing process to complete. During this time, GoDaddy is pushing your website from the editor to the live server so it becomes accessible on your domain name. Once the process finishes, you'll see a confirmation message letting you know that your website is now live. That's it. Your site is officially published and anyone can visit it using your domain name. If you ever need to make changes in the future, simply go back into the website builder, edit your content, and click Publish again to update the live version. Publishing your website on GoDaddy is really that simple. Sign in, go to My Products, open Website Builder, click Edit Website, review your content, and hit Publish. In just a few clicks, your website is live on the internet. If this tutorial helped you publish your GoDaddy website, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.